Okay, so I guess Nike and Off-White, they in a relationship, but we got the side piece coming up on this one though. Oh yeah, this is version 2. All right. We are here live at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street. I am Fresco. We're gonna do another unboxing, Stadium Goods unboxing of the Off-White Vapormax version 2. So if you look to my immediate left, we have the version 1, which is a part of the 10. Virgil, Off-White, Nike collaborated on a variety of 10 different shoes, and the Vapormax, one of Nike's newest Air Max shoes, was a part of that collaboration. So this is the version 1, and we're gonna take a look at the version 2, which comes in a totally different colorway. So let's take a look at the box we got right here. So all of the Off-White shoes come in reverse boxes. So if you guys see the trend between, it stays the same with the swoosh right here. All the boxes are inside out. Take a look at the shoes though. Packaging similar to the 10. So all the 10 shoes came with a similar packaging as you see right here. Let's get to these shoes though. So automatic difference you guys see off the back is that the version 2 comes in the white colorway, while the 10 version comes in the black colorway. So we're gonna take a look at this upper here. Right here, let's start off with the tongue. There's the orange swoosh with the Nike sportswear. We've got the laces right here. So along with these laces, as you guys are familiar with the Off-White series, they come with a variety of different laces. This one only comes with one additional lace, which is this ice blue pair that I have in my hand right here. And also another feature to the laces, as you guys all should know at this point, is the shoelaces on all lace tips of the Off-White shoes. So let's get more into the upper here. We've got the knitted material throughout the upper here into the toe box, as we can see here with the perforation throughout. So this one's very breathable. So it's pretty much full white on white with a couple other color palettes in between. So we have like a light gray color throughout the lace area. And this material right here is like a suede nubuck material, right around the lace area here. Let's get a look at this swoosh. So we have a translucent swoosh, which is also embroidered along the sides, as you can see here. We've got the orange little pull tab right here. On the back panel, just above the air panel, we've got the air in quotations. So this is classic to all the Off-White shoes. Not the air, but a variety of different sayings on the shoe itself. And as we get to the midsole, outsole, full translucent, clear 360 Air Max bag throughout. As you guys can see, the Air Max goes throughout the entire shoe. So you guys see in the front toe area here, and goes well 360. We've got the zip tie here, which is located on the majority of the Off-White shoes. All of them come with the zip tie, but the MoMA Air Force One and I believe the Complex Con Air Force One come with the white zip tie, but all the rest, including this one, come with the red zip tie. The inner panel here features Off-White, trademark for Nike, Nike Vapormax, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, circa 2017. So each Off-White shoe shows the original date, original year of production, I should say. So being that the Vapormax was introduced in 2017, this one features 2017 right here. Let's take a look at the insole here. Features the Off-White logo along with the 10 right there on the insole. Let's take a look at this back panel here. Full white hit right here, also with a white 3M hit under. It's kind of understated. And then we have the white pull tab right here on the back. And let's take a look at the full outsole here, as I mentioned to you guys earlier, 360 Air Max unit throughout. And we've got the Air Max right there. Kind of reminds me of a football cleat. Got like great grip on these. These are actually really good in the snow too, fun fact. They're not that warm, but they're good in the snow. Have you take a look at both shoes here. Once again, the knitted materials right here on the front, suede and nubuck right here wrapped around the lace area. White laces, also features the blue lace. Let's get back to these outsoles. So the left foot features the swoosh on the outsole, and the right foot features the Air Max on the outsole, if you guys can see right there. And I'm gonna just give you a quick compare and contrast between the two, so you guys can see the off-white version 1, off-white version 2 is Vapormax, black colorway, white colorway, originally released with the 10, and this one is set to release this February, but we do have it right here at Stadium Goods, and we are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to stop by anytime, 12 to 8. Holla at me, look for Fresco, or download our new Stadium Goods app available on iOS and Android, or stadiumgoods.com, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have any questions about anything Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. Follow us on all social media platforms, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, Twitter, Snapchat, right here on YouTube, everything at Stadium Goods. I'm Fresco. Salud.